Hey there, business professionals. Today I'm diving into the dynamic world of Al-Karam Textile, a giant in Pakistan's textile industry. Let's explore the corporate challenges they face and the innovative strategies they deploy to stay ahead. First up, economic and political instability. In Pakistan, currency fluctuations, energy crises, and inflation are significant hurdles. Al-Karam navigates these choppy waters by investing in renewable energy and efficient production methods. They've even set up a 9.8 MW solar power plant to combat power shortages. Next, global competition. The textile market is fiercely competitive, with price pressure from countries with lower labor costs. Al-Karam counters this by constantly innovating and streamlining operations to boost efficiency. They also keep a keen eye on shifting consumer preferences to stay relevant. Sustainability is another biggie. The textile industry is notorious for its environmental impact. Al-Karam is tackling this head-on by incorporating recycled fibers into their products and ensuring sustainable sourcing for 90% of their home textiles. They're also investing heavily in water and waste management. Operational challenges can't be ignored either. Finding and retaining skilled labor is tough in Pakistan, so Al-Karam invests in training programs to build a capable workforce. They're also embracing technological advancements like their new spinning unit in Nooriabad, which started operations just this past August. Managing growth is a constant balancing act. Al-Karam's proactive approach includes raising funds through sukuk issuance to fuel their expansion plans. This ensures they have the resources needed to integrate new operations smoothly and maintain profitability. Despite these hurdles, Al-Karam Textile demonstrates resilience and adaptability. Their commitment to sustainability, vertical integration, and global reach positions them well for future success. By facing challenges head-on and embracing innovation, Al-Karam continues to lead the textile industry with confidence. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the business world. Catch you next time.